I just said in the last one, if it ends in 25, 50, or 75, you always know that at least 25 goes in there. So think of 50 cents, that's 2 quarters, right? 25 times 2. Now what times itself gives you 25? 5. So this becomes 5 root 2. There are no more perfect squares in 2, so it'd be all done. Now, if we have negative 5 root 300, whatever we can pull out with the perfect square stuff, after we square root it, we're just going to multiply it by the negative 5 that was already out on the outside, because all this stuff is being multiplied. Now, anything that ends in 100, you know that 100 is a perfect square. It's 10 times 10. So anytime I see something 100, I use 100. So 300 is 100 times 3. And we take our square root. So let's see, negative 5 times the square root of 100 is 10. And then we multiply our regular numbers outside. Negative 5 times 10 is negative 50. So we have negative 50 root 3. All right, last one, 18. Looking for perfect squares. 18 is 9 times 2. We can square root 9. Square root of 9 is 3, so we have 3 root 2. Now we're going to be getting into variables. Now I want you to keep in mind x to the 4th times itself would give you x to the 8th. So if you were square rooting x to the 8th, you're like, what times itself gives you x to the 8th? All you have to do is divide the exponent by 2. So if I had the square root of x to the 20th power, you just divide the exponent by 2, x to the 10th. I actually like the variable ones better than the non-variable ones. And I'm pretty sure that's what we got going. Yeah, so we'll start that in the next one.